So excited. It's a great picture. Rob Marshall, incredible. The cast, incredible. I'm really so happy. He's amazing. It's the best protection for an artist. He knows exactly what he wants. He's the best. Bucket list. I guess part of your world. You can't. And then of course there's the new songs with Lin-Manuel. That's a lyricist. That's great. That's so much heart, so much emotion, so much love. It's really bring some tissues. You're gonna need them. Well, it's a universal story about someone wanting to be in that other world, and then a father watching, like I'm watching my daughter, who came to this actually opening, and going, oh my God, I gotta let go of her. It's a lot of emotion, but it's a beautiful story, and Rob did an amazing job. God bless.